For 6 generous serves of spaghetti bolognese, we need about half a kilo of lean beef mince and about a quarter of a kilo of pork mince, plus some good stock. Also, 2 cans of crushed tomato, some tomato paste, good olive oil, and a generous dash of Worcester sauce and some bay leaves. You may also like a generous pinch of freshly ground nutmeg or basil or oregano, and of course salt, pepper and brown sugar. The basis of spaghetti bolognese is called sofrito, which is made with the same quantity of brown onion as you have beef and half as much again of carrot and of celery, a generous amount of garlic, and if you wish, some bacon, which is finely chopped, lightly fried and added to the sofrito. Finally chop all the vegetables and we are ready to go. First, a really generous dash of good quality olive oil and about the same quantity of butter. That's all melted down nicely, so we start to make our sofrito. First we'll put the carrot in because that takes longer to cook. Put the lid on that for a while. Next, our onions. And sweat this down until the onions start to turn translucent. Put the lid on for a few minutes. So now we put our celery in. This doesn't take very long at all. When our celery shows signs of going a little bit soft, then put in our garlic, dash of oregano perhaps, that's entirely optional. Good flash of nice fresh ground pepper, and a good pinch of salt. We'll adjust the salt later to taste, but now we bring all this down in our sofrito. The garlic cooks very quickly, about a minute. Now for our tomato paste. A couple of good spoonsful of tomato paste in here. Now, add a dessert spoon of brown sugar and work the tomato paste around in the middle of the pan until it caramelizes a little. Lovely. Now, we decant our sofrito out into a bowl. Back on high heat. I'll put in about half the beef here. So now we've browned off our meat in batches. Put all of that back into a bowl here. And deglaze the pan with some nice wine, red wine. About half a bottle. So when you deglaze the sides of the pan, then let the wine reduce down to about half its volume. So this is all nicely reduced. So everything goes back in here now. All of our meats and vegetables, a large can of crushed tomato or 2 small ones. Now, a bit less than half a litre of stock, and a few bay leaves. These are fresh ones. You use the dried ones. I have a tree growing in the garden. Now, we'll bring that back to the boil, and then we'll turn it down to very low heat and just let it simmer like a long summer afternoon for at least 2 hours, maybe 3, who cares? We have a siesta. About an hour before the sauce is cooked, remove the cheese from the refrigerator to reach room temperature. As you can see, I like a good Grana Padano. The genuine product is stamped in the rind. Parmigiano Reggiano is better, but my budget does not stretch to that. It's ready. Here, I'm serving over spaghetti, although we prefer to use one of the flatter ones, such as fettuccine or tagliatelle. A generous dash of our Parmesan cheese, buon appetito!